What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up yourself, you know. Big up my viewers and subscribers. I don't know what they think of. They up on the New Year settings. Not true. Attack. Some people you don't know say, you know, the big truck show where them keep over MAYPEN. They understand Monk annual truck show. My people you don't know say MASICKA was staged to perform on that show, which he did. Mash up the place and go on with a bag of things, my people. So you don't know a lot of people that expect MASICKA to be at Freedom Street. Then after suddenly we hear MASICKA say, yo, you know say him nah go they are Freedom Street based on certain things and contract with Monk them and them thing, my people. Well, you don't know say from first, my people, MASICKA was not slated to be at Freedom Street. But then after, Cartel comes to boom and give a look thing and say, MASICKA panda look interview there and punty. You know what I mean, my people? So after all, MASICKA did plan figure but certain things go down, my people. Wish you don't know. Cartel not say nothing pertaining to that with MASICKA, my people. So me nah go speak up, me nah go this MASICKA and say nothing. So whatever I go on with Vibes Cartel and MASICKA, my people, are two big man them. So that I feed them. You know what I mean, my people? Me nah nothing personal if you say pertaining to that. Only thing me can say, Freedom Street keep biggest show ever held in Jamaica. One night show, biggest ever world record set. Don't know, we see it and we don't need to go and speak to nobody and talk about that, my people. The show with MASICKA, the truck show, was a big and a great show, my people. You understand, a whole heap of vibe and we have some highlights from the show. Also, my people want to understand, so look at the man, Vibes Cartel and the promoter himself, Monk, them never had a problem because look here, no cartel this I do add to them.
So they see up to the time, you know, Vibes Cartel and represent for the Monk Truck Show. And everybody know at the 1st of January 2025 and it up and live. Duh.
Oh.
Oh.
Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. So in at the end, my viewers and subscribers, as what I say, Cartel and MASICKA are two big man them, and not until you can hear MASICKA say something personally or about Vibes Cartel or Vibes Cartel say something personally about MASICKA on certain levels, like really talk. We can't listen song and hear song and just quote and say this and say that, my people. You know what I mean? Then we can say what I really are go on answer. But for now, my people, big up the artists them. MASICKA a big artist, a tough artist, a bad artist, no joke, and we don't need glasses to that. World boss, Vibes Cartel, king of dancehall, we don't know that already, my people. But when me are the right now, my people, me are going to share some highlights from the stage performance of MASICKA from the truck show, my people, in a MAYPEN Clarendon, and also some highlight from the truck them itself during this whole thing. You understand? So big up Monk, big up Vibes Cartel, big up MASICKA, big up the whole works, and big up the whole dancehall fraternity. Peace out. Check it out, my viewers and subscribers. One team, one dream, one scheme. Attack!
Every 4 nights in a corridor.
going on the village. You can't be alone. When I tell myself I'm serious, all they need is big full of get about Jordan. Mention and mention up and a top line. That's right, glory man. We have a hey, we have a ha-ha. Super. I'm coming to it. All I want to come back to the morning. Hey, hey, we get from the feet. Now let me be said. We take a movie. Get us in circles. They are about to get you. Looking at me like I'm on the front, and I see the entire person is cycle. And he couldn't look at me with a front joke. Like it's like a good son, I'm up with the fight. Fuck the music and go take some people down with the light. Let me drop up on a track, quote them on a jet. Hungry that they goes to kill me, this for man of eye. Motivation on that catch his stage and sing some eye. Big up, get up there. We're about that. It's all about you, Lord. Alright, 1, 2, 3, hey. Baby, like you just need it. Something to remember. She hunting for your hey, hey, hey.